Hello and welcome back, my Gemini friends. This is your June 2021 prediction. It's just a general reading, so take what resonate. Don't try to make it yours. If it does not resonate with you, just leave it be. First of all, for those who are tapping in for the first time, thank you very much. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment in my channel or to my channel or below. Also, for the ones who are my followers who've already subscribed, thank you very much. Please do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get the update of the next video that I go through, that I upload, sorry. And thank you for following me on Instagram and Facebook as well. I really appreciate. All this is for free, okay? Even the reading at this point in time, it's a general reading and it's for free. If you do require a personal reading, please connect with me on contact.luminousguide@gmail.com. So we are going to do an overall energy reading, health, career, finances, romantic relationships, and then the overall message. Okay, so right now for you, my Gemini friends, the overall message that I get is number 8, traveling. For some of you, you could be traveling at this point in time. For some of you, you're planning for a travel in month of June. And also, for some of you, it's not necessarily it's a physical travel. Okay, so it could also be a mental travel. It could be a travel of a spirituality as well. Maybe you have a vision and you've worked hard. So it's similarly, right? We travel through our minds to get our work done. So for some of you, it's like that, and for some of you, definitely there's a travel involved. So the overall energies of getting things done, reaching from one place to the other, accomplishment, okay, that will be your energy for the month of June. This is for my Gemini friends. Okay, also in terms of health, I see a lot of anxiety. I see a lot of people going through sleepless nights at this point in time. Number 9. This card is 8, so you've got an 8 and a 9. And this is an, it's 9 of Swords, which is again air sign, which is Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. So if you're going through anxiety, exhaustion, sleepless nights, maybe you just need to meditate. Maybe you need to take a look at your health. Just check your health, okay? Just go for a general checkup, all right? And in terms of finances and career, you've got Queen of Pentacles. This is a beautiful card. That means that you have been really working hard to gain your money. And this Queen of Pentacles has not come very easy to you. Finally, you're getting into the flow. Finally, you're getting into stability. Finally, you're getting into finances and career now in June. So from May, you've really worked hard so long till May is now going to come into fruition in the month of June, wherein your bills will start clearing, invoices will start clearing. It's like you finally have the money to put fuel in your vehicle and start moving around. Okay, that's the message I'm getting for career and finances. In terms of relationship, we have 6 of Autumn. Okay, you may be dealing with an earth sign, which is Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. It's a possibility. 6 of Autumn means 6 of Pentacles, which is 6 of coins. Okay, so it's like it's your karmic cycle. Okay, what good you've done in your relationship is what you're going to manifest and get in the month of June. Okay, that's how it is, because you can expect an unexpected return of somebody who was coming, whom you've been dealing with in the past. That person could come, knock at your door, your social media, Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp. That's a possibility. And just be wise. Okay, be wise when you make a decision romantically in relationship at this point in time. And what you sow is what you reap. That is going to happen to you in the month of June. Okay, so think about that in terms of romance and relationship. Now the angels are talking about a card which says compromise. Maybe there is a certain amount of compromise somewhere. It could be for the good as well. Okay, maybe you're compromising on say partying because you need good health. Could be something, but you will have a sense of somewhere down the line it will strike you that, oh, I've compromised to get this thing done. Okay, so that's what your angels are talking. Or maybe you need to compromise and stop being an ass. Okay, that's a possibility as well. And also from the power of the love, we get humility. Be humble. Strong calling for you to be humble. Okay, for the month of June, my Gemini friends. You have developed the loving awareness that you and everyone else are the same. You got to use everyone at the same level, but all have different paths. Remember, we all are human with different ideology, with different paths, with different success story, with different life. At the end of the day, we all are human. The purpose is humanity, but everybody has a different path to follow, and you need to understand that. And your spirit guides have here Lady Venus. Oh my god, Venus is the goddess of love. It talks about emotions, right? Such a beautiful card. Look at it. So maybe you need to take a look at your moon in your chart. Do not waste water. If you've been wasting water, do not waste water, okay? Downloads and understanding is what this card is talking about. It says truth is being revealed. Deep insights are coming from heaven and the astral realm. So whatever has been hidden from you all along, that will be revealed in the month of June. Connect yourself to your emotions and humility. Do not waste water. Okay, so I wish you all the best, my friends, Gemini friends, and much love and luck till we meet again. Stay safe. Goodbye.